Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Zorin OS and its review. So let's get started. First, open any browser and search Zorin OS. Then click on First Site. Click on Download Zorin OS. Then you will see many options. Just download any one of them which you think is good for you. I am downloading core version. If you want to know about Zorin OS and its system requirements, watch my last short video whose link will be in description. Now our Zorin OS is downloaded and we will boot it into a USB. I am going to use Rufus for that. Open Rufus and select the ISO file and USB. Then click on Start. It will format the USB and copy the ISO file. Well, this was also pretty fast, just like elementary OS. Our bootable USB is now ready, so just plug this into the PC in which you want to install Zorin OS. Select boot device options on Start, whose function keys are shown on screen for different brands, and then select the USB. This is how your screen will look like. Select any option which you think is good. Then it will check files before installing. I have selected NVIDIA version because I will also play games in it, so this will take more time in my case. Now you can choose between trying and installing. If this is your primary PC, then you should definitely try it out first, though that will be a bit slow. After selecting language, just click on Continue. Before installing, it will show you the changes which will be made to hard drive, meaning it will format your drive and automatically create two partitions. Now enter your location. Then set up name and password. Now installation has started.
What's the reason behind the commotion? Why do we have to feel emotions? What's the purpose of all this madness? Why do we struggle so much to control them? Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in because of my emotions. I can't seem to control them. Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in my emotions. I can't seem to control them. My emotions. My emotions.
It took around half an hour, then restart the system after removing USB. This is Zorin OS home screen, and just like elementary OS, this also has a lot of customization so that you can personalize it. Just after personalization, it showed an update notification, so I will update it first. It will ask your password before downloading update. Wow, this minimize maximize animation is pretty good. It's pretty satisfying. Now update is done, so let's open the web browser. I don't know what should I search, so I will just search Zorin. This is its store, and now let's open settings. There are many good wallpapers. Now back to store and see what is good here. We can go category wise. I will select game section. Zorin OS app library is pretty big compared to elementary OS. I saw on its site that we can play Steam games, So let's install Steam. Let's see if it also has Epic Games or not. No, it don't have Epic Games. Now let's start Steam. It's updating. And then login. It's showing all the games, so let's just install any game. This game looks nice, so I will install it. It showed an error that this is invalid platform. Okay, let's just try to install another game. Let's try to install this game. Thank God, it's installing. I think we can play all the games that has Steam symbol just above the play game button. Now time to play this game. Game is working pretty smooth, which means we can play games in Zorin OS if you have a decent PC. Let's see if we can install any popular game. This is great. We can install Dota 2 in it, which means good games are also supported. Zorin OS also has an amazing feature called Zorin Connect, through which you can control your PC using your phone and also file sharing, notification, etc. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi because Ethernet didn't work in my case. You have to install Zorin Connect in your phone to connect both of them. Now both the devices are connected and I am controlling cursor with my phone. Let's try to type something in this. This is pretty good, and if you are an office worker, then this feature will help you a lot, mainly this remote slide change feature. So this was the installation and review of Zorin OS. I hope my video was helpful to you. You can follow me on Twitter and subscribe to support the channel and also enable notifications to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching.